Testing out the kerosene heater. There you go. It glows the globe right there. Nicely heating up. Nice heat. Nice heat. So this is the 5th of July. 5th of July 2024. Testing out the kerosene heater. I've got a body heater and a kerosene heater. We'll try and look for a third heater for standby during winter. Otherwise, it's beautiful weather outside. Testing out this heater overnight. Less than half tank of kerosene. I fill it up. It's just enough for the night. And yeah, see how it goes. Right now, it's producing a gentle, warm heat. Just nice heat. Just enough for the space. This is a van. Ford Transit 2023. Ford Transit 250. 2023 Ford Transit 250. It's a beautiful van, and yeah, enough space to heat up the van. Kerosene heater. There you go. Wow. It is almost midnight, and that's how it look outside. It's 11:53 p.m. almost 12 midnight, and it's still light outside. Yeah, so just testing out the kerosene heater. Yeah, it's almost midnight now and still daylight outside. Well, we'll call it a day. It is Friday night now. Friday night, and yeah, tomorrow is Saturday. Well, I kinda like this heater. It's heating up very nicely. Wow. Well, we'll leave it overnight and see how it goes tomorrow. So got the windows vented right here. Windows vented, and the roof nicely vented. So kerosene heater. Wow. I have a body heater that is stored under my garage with a 20-pound cylinder. Right now, this testing out the kerosene heater. We'll leave it overnight and see how it goes tomorrow. Right now, it is yeah, it's about a half tank kerosene heater. Wow, that's it. Kerosene heater. Heat up 360 degrees. Wow, there you go. Kerosene heater. Slowly, that glow right there. Don't glow. Let's listen to the sound. Well, bit silent. Just offers a nice heat, radiating heat all around the heater. Just nice heat. Will heat up the space here very nicely. There you go, kerosene heater with a glowing globe right there. You can place something on top of the heater. You know, if you want to cook, you can place something on top here, or just leave it vented out. You can always put a pot or a pan in there if you want to cook something. Right now, just nice heat. Alright guys, kerosene heater. Let's on the light. On the light here. There you go. Kerosene heater. Safety tank. It's that is the kerosene level. It's about less than half tank. That's a tank. Wow. There you go, kerosene heater. Nice heat coming through. It's actually, you know, fairly warm. You know, night, a little bit windy outside, but nice and warm inside. Nice and warm. We'll keep the heater on the whole night and see how we go tomorrow morning. The tank, the kerosene tank, is less than half. We'll see how that stand. Just nicely glowing. Wait, let's see where the gauge is. It's on the light again. Alright, so right here. Okay, just down a little bit. Alright, a little bit down here. So that will take down the globe a little bit. Let's see. Any changes to that? Still hitting a lot. Down a little bit. Take the blue flame off the globe. Let's just lower the heat. Still nicely glowing on top. We'll wow, kerosene heater, man, so easy. So still nice glow, and Yeah. Right there, kerosene heater. Alright guys, right now I'm feeling the heat nice here in the bed. Let's go back, see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice heat coming from there. Wow. We'll see how the winter go. Wow. There you go. Nice. Hit there. Kerosene heater. Wow. Alright guys. Alright, we say good night now. Testing out the kerosene heater. This is the first time I'm putting it on for the night. I tested out at home before I head out to Alaska. I tested out by burning the fuel in the garage. I lit it up in the garage, outside the garage, and let it burn out for a while before I store it. It was stored since I traveled up to Alaska, and now I just pull it out of the garage under my bed. I've got a lot of storage down here, and here I test it out. Just thought of testing it out for a few days before the winter. I've got the body heater and kerosene heater. I'm trying to look for a third heater just for standby, 3 heater in winter just for standby. Yeah, we'll run that overnight and see how this one go. Kerosene heater, the body heater standing by under the bed, and a 20-pound gas cylinder. Right now we are running the kerosene heater, and yeah, kerosene heater is heating up very well. Alright guys, good night for now.